Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this template 25-inch IPS touchscreen special for BMW X1 E84 29 to 2015 years. Okay, you can check this screen panel, front panel. Okay, let me check the back. And you can check their SIM card and TFT card slot. And this is back. Okay, there is dash keys. Okay, you can check X1. Car year 29 to 2050 years. Okay, this GPS. This antenna. This GPS. Okay. You can check the back connector, this power, this audio, this USB. Okay. You can check this special head unit plug harness and come with head unit together. It's small speaker. Okay. Okay, and this plug. This connector connects to back of head unit, and this fuse box. And you can check this backup camera input, and this camera detect wire. This camera 12 voltage. Okay, this is harness and plug and play. And it comes with joystick. This joystick will come with head unit together. Okay. And this cable connect to joystick. And connects the original cable. Okay. And this GPS antenna. You can check this GPS antenna and connect this hole. Okay, and this antenna, Wi-Fi antenna, and it comes with the AUX, factory AUX, get the sound. Okay, it will come with two USB cable and audio cable, this audio cable, and this DVR video input, and the video out 1 and the video out 2 are set up, and the audio input left and right, this left and right are set up. This microphone, external microphone, our head unit already built-in microphone. Okay, you can connect this connector on back. Okay, and there are two USB cable. This USB LAN cable. Okay, this connector connects back. This USB, okay. And then we connect power and the back. Okay, connected. Okay, you can check front. It will start head unit. Okay, started. Okay, this is ID7 UI interface. You can check. You have navigation, Bluetooth, and music, video, car info, and dashboard. You can adjust the dashboard with different color, orange, yellow, gray. Okay. Very fast response. All apps are here. You can check apps. You can download the application from Play Store, and it's built in Google Maps. It's easy connection for Mirrorlink. Android USB, Android Wi-Fi, iPhone Wi-Fi. Okay. This is AutoKit for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Okay. And settings you can check. Navigation, volume, sound, language. System info you can check. It's RAM 4 GB, ROM 34 GB, This Android system, built-in Wi-Fi, and about device you can check. Android 10 system. Okay. Wait. Auto. So let me check the. Other settings you can check this for car. Factory settings. And the vehicle information. Please choose this right car for your system. This your RD7, RD6, RD5 also support it. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Okay, thank you.